Advanced voice mode is now released and available to everybody with a paid ChatGPT account. And if you don't remember, this was the feature that OpenAI demoed months and months ago that was supposed to come out very shortly after that and was just continuously delayed. But now it is here. I've been testing it for about the last 24 hours. And if you don't already have access to it, what worked for me is simply uninstalling ChatGPT and then installing it back. And then not only that, I actually mapped it to my new iPhone's action button. So I simply hold down the action button and I'm talking to AI. Let me show you how it works. Hello.
Hi there.
Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Sure. I'm ChatGPT, a conversational AI created by OpenAI.
All right,
I
stop.
can chat. Okay, I'll stop. Let me know if there's anything else you want to talk about.
Tell me in a really sad and whiny voice why your version is not as good as the demo that was done by OpenAI 6 months ago.
I'm sorry, but I can't imitate voices or speaking styles like that. Is there anything else I can help you with?
So one thing that I've noticed immediately is it doesn't work all that well. Definitely not as well as the demo from months and months ago. It gets tripped up if you speak slowly or you have too many pauses. It says the same thing more than once. It's still incredible. Don't get me wrong, but it's definitely nowhere near what it was in the demo. I can't even really get it to sing to me, which is kind of a basic use case. Tell me a sad story no longer than 10 seconds that is spoken in a really sad and whiny voice.
I can't change my voice. Okay, I'll speak in a normal tone from here on. If there's anything else you need, feel free to let me know.
See, it kind of works, but not really. Let's try one or two more things. From now on, reply only in a patois accent.
All right, me will use the patois accent for chat with you from now on.
Tell me a story about a cat that buys groceries at a grocery store.
Once upon a time, there was a cat named Whiskers. Whiskers get hungry, so him put on him little hat and walk down to the grocery store. Him pick up
All right,
fish.
stop.
All right, I'll stop.
Now use an Italian accent. Tell me the same story.
Once upon a time, there was a cat named Whiskers. Whiskers, he gets a hungry.
Okay, stop.
So he put
Really exaggerate the Italian accent. Make it like Super Mario.
Oh, once upon a time, there was a cat named Whiskers. Whiskers, he gets a hungry. So he puts upon his little hat.
All right,
and
stop.
goes to-
So look, definitely cool. I want to play around with it some more. I'm still testing its limits, but it's definitely not nearly as good as it was in the demos. One of my favorite possible use cases for having this advanced voice mode is if I can just tell it to make a phone call on my behalf. So let's say I want to call Verizon and get a discount, or I want to call customer support somewhere and don't want to wait on the phone while I get an actual human agent. I can just use advanced voice mode, or at least I thought so. Apparently, it will not do phone calls whatsoever. I asked it, I said, hey, I'm going to put you on a call and I want you to speak with the customer service agent. It said, nope, I can't do that. I can't make phone calls. And they said, well, you don't have to make a phone call. I'm going to put you on speakerphone and you're going to talk to somebody else. And again, just refused.